So in this video, we are going to discuss November 2024 का RTP first case scenario. बहुत अच्छा case scenario है and this case scenario belongs to India's 115. ठीक है. So India's 115 is very important and from MCQ point of view and also from 70 marks point of view subjective. So let's get started. Yes. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा हूँ, 1 अक्टूबर यू हैव सोल्ड 1,21,000 को एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग दैट अमाउंट 2 ईयर्स के बाद. ठीक है. 2006 में सेल करे तो अक्टूबर 2006 में सेल करे तो यू आर गेटिंग व्हेन दिसंबर 2008 में, मतलब देयर इज़ अ गैप ऑफ 2 ईयर्स. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली ए क्रेडिट सेल्स. ठीक है. यू आर सेलिंग इट नाउ बट द कस्टमर विल पे यू एट अ लेटर डे आफ्टर 2 ईयर्स. उसका कॉस्ट है 80,000. The customer had a right to return. So when you are selling, you are giving a right to the customer to return the product as well. Fine. So ये full refund, yeah, he can get the full refund also, right? And then up to 31st December 2006. So let's create a timeline. It helps us to understand in a better way. Brr, I'll cut this. Okay. So 1st October 2006 is what you are selling. 1st October 2006 you are selling. So yeah, that is one date. And then he is having time up till 31st December 2006 to return. This is a period of right to return. Okay. What is the information given? Let's see. Okay, 31st December, yes. And then if you see at 1st October 2006, delimited, not reliable, no reliable evidence. Remember this, no reliable evidence whether the likelihood of the return of the product by the customer or not. So यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है कि whether the customer is going to return or not, the company is not having any kind of an evidence whether he will return the product or he will keep the product. So right to return का period कब है? From 1st October to 31st December. So this is a period of like this is a period of right to return period. Okay, during this period it is called uncertainty. So there is an uncertainty, right? Whether the customer will take the product or whether he will return the product. So during this period company will not recognize any revenue. That is more important. Okay, once when this uncertainty ends on 31st December 2006, when those 3 months are over and customer is keeping the product, then the company is gonna go and recognize the revenue. Perfect, no? Yes, that is what the standard says. Okay, the product was not returned. Okay, the product was not returned up until 31st December 2006. So he did not return the product. It means company can recognize revenue on 31st December. Clear, no? Chalo, let's see the first question now. First question क्या बोलता है? So if you see the first question, when and by what amount the revenue to be recognized with respect to sales made on 1st October 2006? When and by what amount? When तो अपने को समझ में आ गया. When is it has to recognize on 31st December 2006. When का क्वेश्चन हो गया. By what amount? ठीक है. यहाँ पे it is selling at 1,21,000. Okay, that is credit sales. And then उसका कैश सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज़ 1 लाख बोल रहा है. अगर आज का दिन वो पेमेंट करता तो 1 लाख is the amount, is the price. But he is making us payment when? After 2 years. So what is the amount? 1,21,000. So 1 lakh से 1,21,000, there's a difference. So by looking at the contract itself, we can understand that there is significant financing component involved in it. Okay, so the extra 21,000 that he is getting is a finance cost. Okay, so finance cost will go in finance income. Sorry, that is finance income. Extra 21,000 is finance income. So that will go under other income. Okay, under finance income. But revenue is only this 1 lakh. Okay, na? So the answer would be 31st December 2006 and the 1 lakh is the amount. When is 31st December and on what amount is 1 lakh? I told you clearly why we are recognizing it on 31st December, and then the revenue amount is 1 lakh because it's the cash selling price. What will be the amount of finance income? Now he's talking about finance income to be recognized with respect to sales on 2006-2007. Let's go to timeline again now. Okay. Again, in the question itself, if you see, there is one discounting element as well. Discounting calculation is 10%. Okay. So let's design a timeline here. So right to return हो गया. तो अभी here you have recognized as 1 lakh. 4, 5. We have recognized 1 lakh here. अभी ये 2 years टाइम में लाइक और थोड़ा नीचे 31st December 2007 को he gave discounting factor 10%. If you add 10% to this on 31st December 2007, it will become 1,10,000. Yeah, right. And then after, like, he is going to pay, no, on 31st December 2008 is the date he is going to pay us the amount. So if you add a 10% to it, it becomes 1,21,000. I hope you understood this. See, if you see, the 1,21,000 is this amount. Okay, so this is 1,21,000 ka amount. Okay, so by adding 10,000 each and every year, so this 10% is finance income. Again, next year also you will add another 10% to this 1,10,000, and you will be getting 1,21,000. Clear? No? Now you understood. Now what he's asking is, now the second question is, on 31st December, because here 31st December is coming, sorry, 31st March, year end is coming, 2007. Okay, 31st March ko what is the finance income is asking. What is the finance income on 31st March? So for this entire period, if you see, for this entire period it is 10,000. Okay, for this entire period it is 10,000. But till 31st March, only 3 months, right? For 3 months, how much is the question? So what you will do, 10,000 into 3 divided by 12, you will get 2,500. I hope this is easy. Done. Answer 2. Now what is the amount of trade receivable on 31st March 2007? The question, if you see, trade receivable के बारे में पूछ रहा. In trade receivables, revenue also will be there and finance income also you will keep adding. That is what we did, no? So this amount is actually trade receivable. Okay, 1,21,000, 1,10,000. So 1,10,000 is as on 31st 12 2007, but is asking trade receivables as on this date, 31st March 2007. Okay, so now if you see, what all we have recognized 1 lakh, and then on 31st March we have recognized this finance income. So if you add those two, on 31st March 2007 it becomes how much? On 31st March 2007 it becomes 1 lakh. So on 31st March it becomes 1,02,500. Okay, 1 lakh plus 2,500 interest income. I hope this was helpful. Chalo. So this is the option. Perfect. So what is the amount of revenue to be recognized in respect of 2005 and 6? So let's understand, this is another case study not relating to that. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा, we will see. Okay, delimited began arrangement to sell. Price, initially price per product is 100. Okay, so 2-year period ending, so for 2 years the price will be same. Okay, however अगर सेल्स 60,000 यूनिट से ज़्यादा बढ़ गया तो प्राइस रिड्यूस हो जाता 90 पर यूनिट. क्लियर? नो? 2 इयर्स का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है. अगर ये 2 साल में 60,000 से ज़्यादा सेल हो गया पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर को, 100 से कम हो जाता प्राइस 90 रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली. मतलब पिछले जो भी अपन सेल करें ना, फॉर दैट ऑल्सो यू शुड एडजस्ट वंस इट क्रॉसेस 60,000. राइट? परफेक्ट. Sales made to be limited. So in the first year it amounted to 20,000. फर्स्ट ईयर 2006 को, मतलब 5-6 में 20,000 अमाउंट हो गया. एंड देन द वॉल्यूम इज़ नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड, एंड उन लोगों के एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी नहीं है कि इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर इट विल क्रॉस 60,000. ठीक है, एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो लोग इतना यूनिट सेल करेंगे बोल के. तो द प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट विल बी 100 ओनली. राइट? सो फॉर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टू आंसर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन यू आर एट 5-6, ठीक है, on 31st March 2006 total amount 20,000 units, right? So you are standing on 31st March 2006 now. So the question is also 5-6. So what is the amount of revenue that you will recognize? इसका आंसर आता है, you sold 20,000 units, no, and उसका प्राइस है 100. Okay, so the answer would be A. Perfect. What is the amount of revenue to be recognized in the year 6-7? So next year में क्या revenue recognize करता करके पूछा. Now we will go and see the question. So however in the year ended 31st March 2007, that is in the next year, total sales amounted to 35,000. 35,000 सेल करे. ठीक है, 35,000 अभी, एंड देन प्रीवियस कितना, इफ यू सी 35,000 नाउ, 35,000 they sold now, and in the previous year they sold 20,000. Okay, which is not more than 60,000. Perfect. Which is not more than 60,000, but the director is estimated that the total sales of the goods for the 2-year period would be more than, but वो लोग expect कर रहे हैं कि it will cross 60,000. ठीक है, even if they expect also, no, the price जो 100 rupees था, यहाँ पे जो 100 rupees per unit है, in case if it crosses 60,000 it becomes 90 retrospectively. So retrospectively it will become 90. So now in the year 31st March 2007 35,000 units have been sold. Now 35,000 units को कितना रेट लेंगे अपन 90 35,000 into 90 okay 31 we will first plot that 31 so oh shit okay so 31,000 50,000 31 lakh 50,000 okay 31 lakh 50,000 is what we are getting for yeah but यहाँ पे इसको भी रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव एडजस्टमेंट देना रहता 10 रुपीज़ का बिकॉज वी आर रिकॉग्नाइजिंग see because we are recognizing it at 100 no now we have to give an adjustment for that 20,000 20,000 for 10 rupees 10 rupees का adjustment देना रहता अपने को so 31 lakh 50,000 minus 2 lakhs 1 2 3 4 5 so the answer is this 29 lakh. Hope this video was helpful. Please do like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you so much.